Good day, everyone. Today we're looking at the use of articles. Articles are the three little words in English, a, un, or the. Or you may have no article. So let's look at an overview of when you use which article or when you don't. Okay. Example A, a dog makes a good pet. B, an apple is red. C, a pencil contains lead. In all of these examples, I am speaking about dogs, apples, pencils in general. All dogs, all apples, all pencils. These are generalizations. So when I make a generalization or I make a general statement about a count noun, I can use the singular with a or a. But if you look at examples D, E, and F, dogs make good pets, apples are red, pencils contain lead. We see that I can use the plural form when I make a generalization. So again, I'm talking about all dogs make good pets and all apples are red. That's not really true, but it's a generalization, right? In general, apples are red or pencils contain lead. So for these general statements, right, about these categories, these types of nouns, count nouns, I can use the singular, a dog makes a good pet, or the plural, dogs make good pets. Those two statements mean the same thing. There is no difference in meaning if I use the singular or the plural. For non-count nouns like fruit, coffee, music, we see that in example G, H, I, we don't use the article a or un because it's a non-count noun. A means one, so I can't count. And I don't use the plural because the plural means more than one, right? And I cannot count. It's an uncountable. It's a non-count noun. So I simply use the noun, not singular, not plural. Fruit is good for you. Coffee contains caffeine. I like music. Okay? Not any specific type of music. I'm just talking about any music, any coffee, all coffee contains caffeine. These are general statements about these general categories. Non-count, so it's not singular, it's not plural. Now, if I'm not speaking in general, but I'm speaking about a specific person or place or things, we're going to need some articles here, okay? If I'm talking like non-specific, okay? It's a particular item, but I'm not specifying anything really in particular, like this spoon right here, right? I'm not talking about this particular spoon. Okay? Example J, K, and L, I saw a dog in my yard. Mary ate an apple. I need a pencil. Again, these are singular count nouns. I mean, I saw one dog in my yard, or Mary ate one apple. I need one pencil. I don't need this pencil right here, okay? It could be, I mean, it could be this pencil, right? It could be another pencil, right? It doesn't matter, right? This pencil or that pencil, just any pencil, but I need one pencil. So I need a pencil. It's non-specific. Plural count nouns, we often use the article determiner some, right? So example M and O, I saw some dogs in my yard. Mary bought some apples Bob has some pencils in his pocket. So I saw more than one dog. I don't say how many, 3 dogs, 4 dogs, I don't really know. It's non-specific, right? Mary bought some apples. She bought a few apples. She bought some apples. Again, I don't know the number, how many. It's not very important. I just know that it's more than one. Bob has some pencils in his pocket. Again, doesn't matter what pencils or how many. I just need to know it's more than one. Bob has some pencils. Okay. For non-count nouns, we treat it the same as a plural noun. We put the word or the determiner some, right? I bought some fruit. Bob drank some coffee. Would you like to listen to some music? These are, again, they're non-count nouns, so I cannot use the article a or un, and I cannot make it plural because it's uncountable. But I can use the some, right? I bought some fruit, right? Again, I don't know if it's apples only or maybe apples and bananas together. I don't know what kinds of fruit or how many fruit. It's not really important. I just bought some fruit. It's a very non-specific statement, right? Bob drank some coffee, a little bit, 3 cups of coffee. What kind of coffee? I don't know. It's not important. He just drank some coffee. It's non-specific. But sometimes when we're talking about something very specific. It's not a pencil, but I want the yellow pencil specifically. Or no, I don't want the yellow pencil. I want the purple pencil. So now we're going to get into specific. Which pencil? The specific pencil is important. Okay. So let's look at the following examples with the. Did you feed the dog? Okay, not any dog, not a dog or some dogs, but the dog, our dog, right? Did you feed the dog that lives in our house? That's our pet. Did you feed the dog? K is in the kitchen. There's usually only one kitchen in a house, so it's the kitchen. It's our kitchen in our house. The sun is shining. There's one sun. It's the only sun in the sky, so it's the sun, right? Please close the door, okay? Not any door, but usually the door in this room, right over there. Please close the door, that door, right? I'm talking about a specific door. The president is speaking on TV tonight. So if you're in the US and I say the president, I mean the president of the US. If I was in another country, if I was in China and I said the president is on TV, people would think I mean the Chinese president, okay? So it's the president, the specific country that you're in. I had a banana and an apple. I gave the banana to Mary. So now I'm not just talking about any banana. I'm not talking about a banana, but the banana that I had. I had a banana, right? I had a banana, non-specific, but now I gave Mary the banana that was in my hand. So that's a specific banana that I gave her. So whenever we're talking about something that's specific, where there's only one thing, like the president, the sun, the moon, okay, the earth, there's one thing only, that's very specific, we use the. If I'm talking about something in my house, the bedroom, the bathroom, the kitchen, the living room, okay, I'm talking about that specific room. If I'm going to the bank, right? I usually mean my bank, not a bank, not any bank, but the bank that I use. That's my bank. So I'm going to the bank. I'm going to the library, right? Not some library somewhere in another town, the library that's in our town. That's the library. I'm going there. So we're talking about a specific place, a specific thing. The dog. If it's singular or plural. So if it's a plural noun, I can still use the. Did you feed the dogs? So maybe my wife and I have 3 dogs. I want to know, did she feed all 3 of our dogs. Those are specific dogs. So did you feed the dogs? The pencils on that desk are gems. So not any pencils or just some pencils, but the specific pencils that I see right there, those pencils, the pencils are gems. They belong to Jim. Please turn off the lights. Not any lights, not some lights, but the lights in this room. See those lights over there? Please turn off the lights. I had some bananas and apples. Again, non-specific. I had some bananas and apples. I gave the bananas that I had, those specific bananas, to Mary. Okay. And then non-count nouns, you can, again, the same. If it's a non-count noun and it's a specific noun, we use the fruit in this bowl is ripe. I can't hear you. The music is too loud. Okay, not some music, but the music that's playing right now in this room. Oh, it's too loud. The air smells fresh today. I drank some coffee and some milk. The coffee was hot. Okay? So these are all specific. Check out my second video on articles to try some practice exercises using these rules. Thanks for watching.